So we kind of alluded to this on the front side. What we're looking at today is the power rule for functions. It's just like a specific case of the chain rule when we have a function raised to an exponent. Chain rule can be used in lots of other situations that we'll look at later in the notes for like next week on Monday and Tuesday. But here, it's just this rule, right? If we have y equals u to the n, where u is a function, that sounds like bad English, but it's not. If u is a function, then the derivative of u to the n, this part right here, is the derivative of the outside, right? We bring that exponent out in front, subtract 1 from the exponent. All right, so the derivative of the outside, like we've been seeing on the first page. And then the du dx means the derivative of that inside with respect to x. That right there is the derivative of the inside. So let's look at number 2. This is the first trig one we're dealing with, chain rule. Y equals tangent cubed of x. We saw something like this the other day. Really, the way to think of this is tangent of x cubed. Right? This is just kind of a simpler notation, so we don't have to write the parentheses, but that's what this means. Tangent cubed of x means tangent of x cubed. So you want to think of it this way when you're doing these problems with derivatives and using chain rule. Now it kind of is like the ones that we saw on the first page. Right? The 3 is the outside function. The cubing is the outside function. So we do the derivative of that first. Bring the 3 out in front, and then subtract 1, so it's going to be tangent squared. Right? So we can write our answer using that regular notation, but think of it this way so you know that's the outside part. Times derivative of the inside. What's the derivative of tangent? Secant squared. Need to know that for your quiz on Monday. All right, so that is it for that one.